Hi, so when you sign up on Monsha for the first time, you can sign up using your email address or using your Gmail account or Google account. And after successful sign up, you will be asked a few basic questions about yourself. For example, how did you learn about Monsha? What class, subject, or grade level do you teach? And where are you from? Basic stuff. And after you submit those questions, you will be taken to this page. This is your home page within the Monsha app on website. And by default, you will be taken to the all tools page here. You can see from the top left side, this is your sidebar panel. And on this page, you get to select the tool you want to create resources on. For example, you have image generator, lesson plan, question, worksheet, and some other tools. You have a quick demo on this page at the bottom of this page so that you can quickly see how you can create resources using these tools. And if we take a look at the sidebar items one by one, on top, you will have the courses. So clicking here will show you all the courses you have created within Monsha. You can search here, you can filter by grade, filter by language. And clicking on these courses will take you to the course page where you see associated units and lessons and all the resources. After that, under the resources tab, you will see all the resources you have previously created on Monsha. And on this table, you will see all the resources, the title, the question type or resource type, associated grade level, and which lesson this particular resource belongs to, creation date, and some other options. So this is your history or output history. You can again search here, filter by resource type or grade level. And we have already seen the all tools page. And down there, you will see some useful resources you can learn from and you can benefit from. For example, we have a teacher community on Facebook. We have a certificate courses, a few certificate courses on AI in general and on Monsha. We have weekly webinars and bi-weekly sessions. We have our help center docs where you will find specific articles or tutorials on specific features and our account settings. So this is where you can complete your profile. You can manage your subscription info. For example, clicking on here, it will show all the plans we have. So you have basic plan, which is free forever. We have a pro plan, which you can subscribe on a yearly or monthly basis. And we have a custom enterprise plan for schools and districts and group of teachers. And on the bottom left corner, you can see your current plan. So I am currently subscribed to a pro plan and I can manage from here. I can also manage from my menu bar from the top right corner. And I can submit any feedback if I have from clicking here. Also, I have a chat box here. So you can use this chat box to provide your feedback or seek any support. So yeah, take your time to look around. This is not very overwhelming and there is not much to do. So this is pretty simple.